Hey guys, Tennessee Yankee, thanks for tuning in. Hey, tonight I got another F-150 video for you guys. I wanted to talk to you tonight about the start-stop, auto start-stop feature. I haven't met a person that has a newer F-150 or a lot of other vehicles that like the feature. It's annoying. It always shuts off at the most inopportune time. Anyway, they have a bunch of products out there, expensive products. You can, program the thing to be off. You can add something to the hitch to make it not come on. The heck with that. So I found a way to do it through some forums and things, but I hadn't seen a video on it. I'm sure there was one that exists, but I'm going to show you today how quick and easy it is to get rid of that feature permanently, and it takes less than 5 seconds. Here we go. Here we are at the battery. You're not going to believe it. It's just stupid how easy this is. So right here at the negative terminal, there's this little module thing here. All you got to do is remove this part right here. That's it. Permanently disabled start stop after that. So you'll still see the lights in the dash when you're at a stoplight and it looks like it's activating, but it doesn't shut the engine off anymore. So great to have that disabled. So I usually just have some electrical tape around that and keep it dry in there just in case it's somehow connected to something else that'll get screwed up. So I just uncovered it to show you that, but go for it. You won't regret it. Thanks for tuning in. See you next time.